In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate real human characters in Weavy AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a simple workflow, choose the right model, and produce convincing photorealistic people straight from your browser. Start by opening the Weavy AI app in your browser and heading into your workspace. If you're already working on a project, you can continue there. Otherwise, create a fresh file so you have a clean place to build your flow. A new file keeps things tidy and makes it easier to compare results as you iterate. With your file open, add a prompt to the workflow. This prompt block is where you describe the character and the look you want. Think of it as the creative brief for the model. Clarity helps here. Describe the subject, clothing, mood, lighting, camera feel, and background. Short, concrete phrases tend to perform better than long, flowery sentences. Now type your prompt into the prompt block. For example, you might write, photorealistic head and shoulders portrait of an adult, natural skin texture, soft studio lighting, neutral background, 50 milli lens, shallow depth of field, clean color grading. If there are things you don't want, include them as negatives, like no blur, no extra fingers, no distortions. Be specific about the vibe too, casual, editorial, cinematic, so the model understands the final look you're after. Next, add a model specifically suited for realistic human generation. For best results, select one of the following: Flux, Flux Pro, Flux Dev, or SDXL, which stands for Stable Diffusion XL. These models are known for strong photorealism and facial fidelity. If you're unsure where to start, SDXL is a reliable baseline, while Flux variants can deliver crisp detail and stylistic control. Connect your prompt to the model by linking the prompt output to the model's text input. This ensures the model actually receives your description. Give the connection a quick glance to confirm it's wired correctly. A missing link is a common reason for empty or default outputs. When everything is connected, click Run Model. The generation may take a moment, especially at higher resolutions. Once the images appear, review skin texture, eyes, hands, and lighting. These often reveal whether your prompt and model pairing are dialed in. If the result feels uncanny, try softening overly rigid descriptors or adding natural elements like soft shadows and subtle skin imperfections. If it's not realistic enough, increase detail in your prompt or switch to a different model from the recommended list. Small prompt tweaks can make a big difference, and rerunning after each adjustment lets you quickly home in on the look you want. That's it, your workflow is live and you're generating believable human characters in Weavy AI.